Hello, everyone. Welcome to the wonderful world of Guru School. We are a company who provides industry-leading and emerging IT training, staffing, consulting, and outsourcing services. We have numerous tracks and streams to take training from, and then placement services to help you grow your IT career. Out of these numerous streams, one of the most sought for is PPBS, meaning combined training for project manager, project owner, business analyst, and scaled agile framework. So today we are going to take a look at a small part of this training. So before that, some information about who we are and what this company provides. We at Guru Schools are focused on career and employment-oriented training with a shared project experience from the trainer and provide consulting and placement services. In addition to these, we also prepare you for the interviews and a robust resume. We go even a step further and provide you on an ongoing project support at initial stage of your tenure after the placement. So here is what we offer. Guru Schools helps those who want to start their IT career or grow their IT career by helping them through 6 different hands. We call it as focused 6 pillars offering from Guru School. The pillar first is instructor-based training. Here, we touch base with all the important aspects of the stream or track and share experiences from the trainer so that this individual can well adjust himself to the running environment of any corporate IT job as a trainer, as a trained professional. So how often this training occurs? 2 times every week for 10 to 12 weeks of training. We take 2 to 3 hours of training according to the roadmap, which is usually around 10 p.m. EST, so that the people who are on their jobs should not get affected. The second pillar is course completion certificate. Even though you are a trained person in any stream, unless and until you get a certificate, there is no way of knowing that you are a trained person. So, as Guru Schools is known for the training they provide through their industry experts, it is a boon to have such a certificate from Guru Schools that not only shines your resume in front of hiring manager, but also puts you in preferred hiring list. The fourth pillar, no, sorry. The third pillar is reference ready resume preparation. As the name suggests, Guru School also provide relevant resume preparation service, which includes talking to you, knowing your experience, your traits, your likings, and thus bring out a most sellable resume into the market. In addition, this also includes a reference ready service from professionals who had already taken Guru School's training previously and are placed in the reputed IT industries. The fourth pillar is vendor Q&A preparation. All the candidates are in need of the preparation towards the vendor interview that usually happens first. In these interviews, questions like, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Or how do you describe yourself? Such kind of questions needs an expert preparation from an HR person. The Guru School's HR division prepares every candidate to succeed in such vendor interviews. The fifth pillar is end client QA preparation. This is the actual hiring manager interview preparation. This preparation is taken up by the expert trainers, wherein obvious interview questions like technical know-hows of questions, deep dive questions, tricky questions, and some of the difficult questions in various streams of IT services are taken up by the trainer, and the candidate is prepared accordingly so that he can go through the actual interview with an ease. The last but not the least is the sixth pillar, This is the most important pillar that Guru Schools offers. Once the candidate is hired, the trainer provides a 6 month initial support to the candidate so that he can get over the initial hiccups in any job and start settling down in that position. This is a one of a kind help that Guru School extends so that the career of the candidate takes off with this placement. So these are the 6 pillars offered by Guru Schools, which is unique in itself and one of its kind for any IT aspirer. So if you want to be a part of it and like to know more, contact us immediately. We can be reached at uh, training@guruschools.com. We can also be reached through phone and through our website. We have a YouTube channel, a LinkedIn profile, and a Facebook group as well. All right. Now, let's take a small dip into the ocean of learning and training at Guru Schools, where we will be talking about the differences between a project manager and a business analyst. Both the roles are crucial in a project, but they have distinct responsibilities and different areas of expertise. Let's dive in and explore the unique characteristics of each role. First things first, the question: what is project management and business analysis? Every project is a response to a need. That need, which describes a problem the organization is facing or any desired outcome as such. So, in other words, projects are means through which changes are implemented. From the business needs arises a request for a change. This might be a change in an organization's capabilities or change in policies or processes, and this change must deliver benefit to the business. So, the business analysis provides value to project management through a clear understanding of the business need, the definition of the solution components, and its translation into feasible project requirements, as well as ensuring the continuous involvement of the business stakeholders throughout the project. So, that's how a business analysis helps start a project. So, before we delve into the differences, let's briefly introduce the roles as a project manager and a business analyst. A project manager is responsible for overseeing the entire project from start to finish. They are responsible for planning, executing, and monitoring the project's progress, ensuring that it is completed within budget, on time, and meets the project's objectives. On the other hand, a business analyst focuses on understanding the business needs from the stakeholders and then translates them into functional requirements. They analyze processes, they identify problems, and then propose a solution to improve the business operations. Now, let's explore the responsibilities of a project manager. A project manager is primarily responsible for defining project goals and objectives. He works closely with stakeholders to understand their requirements and then define clear goals for the project. Planning and organizing. Here, he creates a detailed project. He actually creates a detailed project plan, including um, the tasks, the timelines, the resource allocation. He also identifies potential risks and develops risk mitigation strategies here. Team management. Here he assembles a project team, assigns them tasks, provides them guidance and support throughout the project's lifecycle. He ensures that there is an effective communication among all the team members. Budget management. A project manager has to monitor project costs, track the expenses, and make sure the project stays within the allocated budget. Uh, Monitoring and controlling. He regularly assesses project's progress, identify any deviations from the plan, and then take any corrective actions to keep the project on track. Now, let's shift our focus to the responsibilities of a business analyst. A business analyst's primary responsibilities are requirement gathering, where he conducts interviews, workshops, and surveys to bring out the requirements from stakeholders. Then he analyzes these requirements and documents these requirements to ensure that they are clear, concise, and aligned with the business goals. Process analysis and improvement. Here he analyzes existing business processes, identifies inefficiencies, if any, and then proposes an optimized workflows to enhance the existing operation. Solution assessment and validation. He evaluates potential solutions, conducts feasibility studies, and assesses their impact on the business. He also validates the implemented solution to ensure that it meets the intended objectives. In stakeholder management, he collaborates with stakeholders, which includes business cases or business users, the project managers, and the developers to ensure a shared understanding of requirements, and thus he fosters an effective communication. Documentation and communication. Here, he creates detailed documentation such as requirement specifications, used cases, process flows. He also facilitates communication between technical and non-technical stakeholders. Apart from their distinct responsibilities, project managers and business analysts require different skill sets and expertise. Project managers need strong leadership and organizational skills. Sorry. They must be adept at managing teams, resolving conflicts, and making critical decisions. Additionally, they should possess excellent communication and negotiation skills to interact with stakeholders effectively. Business analysts, on the other hand, should have excellent analytical and problem-solving skills. They need to be detailed oriented and have a deep understanding of business processes. And strong communication skills are also crucial for their effective requirement gathering and stakeholder management. While project managers and business analysts have distinct roles, their collaboration is what is vital for successful project outcomes. Project managers and business analysts work closely together throughout the project lifecycle. The business analyst provides valuable insights and requirements to the project manager, who in turn incorporates them into the project plan. They continuously communicate each other to ensure that project objectives are aligned with business needs. So in conclusion, project manager and business analysts are both integral part of project success, but they have different areas to focus and different areas of responsibilities. Project manager ensures that the project is executed smoothly, meeting its timelines and within budget constraints, while business analyst focuses on understanding the business needs and translating them into functional requirements. By collaborating effectively, these two professionals complete each other, ensuring that projects are well planned, their requirements are clearly defined, and the final solution is aligning with business goals. I hope you have got a fair idea of what a business analyst does differently than what a project manager does. So thank you very much for listening to this video. If you want to learn more and are interested in these trainings, please join Guru Schools, where your future takes shape. Goodbye.